Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Let's master Python if statements in 60 seconds. In Python, if lets you run code only when a condition is true. For example, here we are having the initialization of a variable called age, and it is initialized to be 18. Here we check if the age is larger than or equal to 18. If that is true, it is going to print you're an adult. If this condition is not true, it is going to go to the else block of code and print you're underage. Okay, so the important thing that you need to keep in mind is that indentation matters. Please see the space here. So notice the code under if and else is indented. That's how Python knows what to execute. So try changing the value of age and watch the result changes. And that is how if conditions work in Python: simple, clean, and powerful. Follow for more videos.